Welcome back to my channel. This is DailyTech. Today I'll be showing you how to factory reset your phone, wiko, model number Jerry. Locate the power button, volume up, press the volume up, then press the power button and hold both. Once the phone turns on, you release the power button. Now if this doesn't work, press the power and then the volume up, then release the power. And continue holding the volume up. Scroll down, wipe data factory reset, press the power button to continue, press yes. And as you can see, the phone is completely wiped clean. Once it's done, reboot system. And as you can see, it's completed and the phone is being rebooted. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.